I'll talk about HBAR and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group where I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, HBAR and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. HBAR is currently ranked 28th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.5 billion. After a longer downtrend, we found ourselves in a prolonged accumulation phase after testing this last demand zone. Then we finally got the bullish breakout and saw a weekly body close above the supply zone. They were quickly sold off, but saw a massive increase due to news and bullish interest. And right now, we're at this interesting demand zone. And on the daily chart, we can clearly see that we are in a bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows. And finally, we've seen this extremely bullish rise, a break of structure upwards because we took out this last high. And after seeing the retracement to the downside, we have been in this accumulation phase for a while. And if HBAR now manages to rise to the top and take out these last highs, thereby incorporating a bullish substructure, so if there's a very high chance we'll see higher prices. Meaning if we can break this range high, this high towards the upside, this high would be the next bullish price target. So now we're seeing bearish surprise action, breaking below this last demand zone, especially below this last demand zone, then the chance is extremely high that we just see lower prices. But as long as we don't break the last low with acceptance towards the downside, the chance is extremely high that we will see bullish prices. And from the current prices to this next bullish price target, we would have a potential of 84%. And if we manage to break this high towards the upside, then there's a very high chance we'll see much higher prices and truly start the bull run for HBAR. And the top coins would break through the old all-time high in the bull run, and I think the chance is extremely high that HBAR will see much higher prices. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, then we get these potential bullish price targets, and if we look at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, would have a potential of 91 cents. And if we were to reach the 2.618 Fibonacci retracement, we see a potential for $1.45, and from the current prices to this price target, we would have a potential of over 1400%. And I think that's a realistic price target for this bull run. Of course, folks, this is now a price prediction from the current prices and no reason to invest in this. Going all in might be risky, but I think HBAR is a great project with a lot of potential for this bull run, especially if we integrate a bullish structure now. And if you don't want to miss any trade signals, then join my exclusive signal group. There, you'll receive my real-time trading signals, crypto spot buys, and insights into my trading strategy. Second link in the description. In summary, I find that HBAR is a very good project and we have high potential for this bull run. And we are currently at a very interesting entry point. If we hold this and don't break to the bottom, there's a very high chance we'll see bullish prices. And if we then take out this last high and find bullish acceptance, there's a high chance we will see further bullish rising prices and also continue the bullish structure upwards. So folks, thank you for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.